Here's the app AI background remover Ereasy. I remove object, blur photos. This is just AI editing app, just focused specifically on these niche tasks. Easy and fast background photo removal, from AI-powered background erasing and creation to manual precision editing, vibrant background replacement, versatile download options, and instant sharing. So background removal made simple, advanced AI removal technology, AI background generator, object removal, precision manual editing. One tap AI powered eraser, AI background creator, object removal, smooth manual replacement, instant background changer, versatile download option, effortless sharing. Outer background eraser, remove unwanted object, blue background. So that's the idea. 7-day full access and $10 per week, and then there is 1 year full access, $25. Then you can just see create remove background, AI backgrounds, magic eraser. Then you can create product spotlight. For example, you can then just go and upload a photo. So this is, then you can just, all right. So you can see, you can refine it, but yeah, probably it's not the best photo. But here you can, for example, add backgrounds, remove backgrounds, blur photos. So it's all kind of edits with AI. So as you can see easily, you just added that. Then you can change the canvas size. All right, it's not adding additional things to the photo, so it's just changing the canvas. So as you can see, it's and then I just want an AI background, so like forest. So something like that. You just select this AI background. You can adjust, you can change canvas size. So yeah, something like that. And then you just can do this. You can zoom in the background as you like. And then you just have done. And so something like that. You can also blur background. So yeah, pretty easy to use app, which you can try in here. So share Ereasy. So there are some referral codes in here which you can try to use. I don't know what it will get you, but feel free to use my code. And then yeah, you can just continue. So yeah, that's the app.